to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some biscuit kits for Halloween, and the kits are going to be the witch's fingers and bats and cats biscuit kit, and they're both from Asda. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought they look quite good to make, kind of thing, and yeah, I thought I would do this for a video. And let's get down to the dungeon and I will show you how I made these delicious edible like Halloween treats for Halloween. So yeah, let's get down to the dungeon. The ingredients you will need is 260 grams, some self-raising flour to dust onto the chopping board so you can cut around the shapes of the creepy bat and cat biscuit kit. With a knife, you will need some scales, some scissors cut around the imprints of the cutout logos of the cat and bat, and you will also need a mixing bowl and a rolling pin. And I've also laid out some greaseproof paper on a baking tray. So I'm going to be doing the creepy cat and bat biscuit kit, and in the box you have got the ingredients on the back on both boxes as well, and baking time approximately is about 12 or 15 minutes. You get the ingredients down here and a little method of like how to do your instructions of how to make the cakes or cookies, and all you just need to do is add some butter to the mixture, and then you're all done. Just to use the stencils in the back of the cardboard box, and then you will need to use the knife to cut around the mix when it's all like come together in a ball kind of thing. So yeah, a mix of the biscuit mix kind of thing, and you will also get some white icing to put around the cats or bats to make them a bit more like detailed of the biscuits and kind of. So you get your mixing bowl and then you tip out it does look like dirt, so just to warn you, turn on your scales. Then you roughly put how much butter you may need. So this is going to be a fast like complex of like me mixing the bits together. So this is going to be a fast forward kind of thing. So yeah, let's go. So I have done a selection of like funny bats or whatever they are kind of thing, and I have done like some witches hats that look like something else or whatever. And yeah, the side here is going to be for the witch's fingers, which is going to be over there, and your hands do get quite mucky kind of thing. And yeah, let's go and do the witch's fingers. An estimate of like about 30 to 35 grams. So if I ever get to like 30 or whatever, it will do perfectly. There you go, 30. So we pop that in there, and in this packet you get the mixture in the white packet, and you also get some milk chocolate buttons that you can melt, and it will turn into the fingernails kind of thing. And you also get some red icing to put on the fingernails to make them a bit more like bloody. And I have also got some black icing from the leftover, so I'm going to pop a little bit now and again into there to make the like witch's fingers a bit more like dirty kind of thing, so it looks like they've got a bit more like character into the dirty fingers of the witches. So I'm going to use the knife, and then I'm going to cut down along here and also through the middle as well. And I'm going to use like the side of the like pastry or cake mix, and I'm going to make it into like a fingernail kind of shape, like make it like quite thick at the top, and then it might go out thin down the bottom with like a fingernail at the front. So when you want your fingernail to look like dirty or whatever, use like the edge of or the bottom of the knife and do like an imprint of like a fingernail would be, and then you're ready for your thumb or finger. You will need to put the tray in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit or gas mark 6, and line the baking tray with some baking parchment, and then you put it in the oven for 12 minutes, but keep an eye out on it because it may burn the cookies if you leave them in there longer. So off to the oven. So as the biscuits are in the oven for 12 minutes, I'm going to clear up the station area so I can decorate my biscuits. And I've made them kind of room temperature so I can start putting like decorations on the cookies as well. And I've also got a separate plate which I'm going to be putting like one by one when I've decorated the cookies as well. And I have separated two milk chocolate buttons into two different bowls, because I'm going to be putting this one into the microwave and using this one to put the white chocolate onto the like biscuit kind of thing, to use it as like a fingernail kind of thing. And that's going to be like the glue which I'm going to stick it onto the cookie kind of thing, if you understand that. So let's get down to the decoration. So I have brought out the little pot and it's all melted from the microwave and it's all like gloopy and stuff. So I'm ready to decorate my different kind of cookies. So the first one I'm going to be decorating are the kind of black ones, as you can see, and this one was a random shape, so I'm kind of like going to do it as a witch's hat kind of thing. So I'm gonna like put like a buckle on the hat and also a kind of like rim around it as well, and on top to show you that it's kind of like a pointy witch's hat and something like that really. Decorated the black ones, witch's hat, a skull, and 3 bats, and the fingers of the witch's fingers, which are those ones there. I'm going to try and like decorate them how they've done it, but my ones don't look the same as that really, because my ones look atrocious, but I had my go kind of thing. And I'm going to put some red on the bottom so it looks like that the witch's finger has been cut off, and I'm also going to put some underneath the nail like so, and I'm going to do that to the rest of the fingers, so fast forward the video. That is the ones which I've decorated, and they look kind of like gruesome kind of thing. And yeah, I think the outcome with the fingers have come out quite good, I'd say. But I don't know about the funny looking bats or the skull or the hat kind of thing. But yeah, first time using this kind of like dolly mix for Halloween. And yeah, let's go back to the bedroom. So we have finished baking the biscuit kits, and I have finished doing the ghosts, a funny little sorting hat from like Harry Potter, and a funny little skeleton, and also the witch's fingers. They have come out quite good, I'd say, because it's the first time of me like doing these kind of like sweets or biscuit kind of like treats for Halloween, and the outcome has come out quite well, I say. Yeah, a bit random for a video, I'd say, and they're newly been brought out from Asda, as I said before at the beginning of the video. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in another video soon. Over and out. Bye. I'm going to eat some fingers. Delish. Bye. Hello people, and thank you for watching my video, and if you'd like to turn the bell on for notifications so you won't need to miss any videos which I upload, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. The links will be in the description down below. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and also thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in another video. Over and out. Bye.